A simple walk around Wascana Lake in Regina, something Matthew Cardinal has done countless times. Not long ago, the return to something as simple as a walk seemed out of reach. The 34-year-old bartender contracted COVID-19 and was then admitted into the ICU. And it all started with something out of the ordinary.
I don't usually get headaches, so that was a huge indicator. It was just a screeching, headache.
Cardinal began to start showing all the typical symptoms: coughing, fever, a loss of his senses of smell and taste. Then things got worse.
I was having a really hard time to breathe, and I couldn't really breathe. And I texted a few friends. I'm like, I think I'm asthmatic now, and they're like, no, you should call 911. So I called 911. Told my mom I have to go. Sorry.
He shared this post on Facebook. Then, doctors put him in a medically induced coma on a ventilator. 6 days later, he woke up and his breathing tube was removed.
I was laying there, crying because it was so painful, feeling all that coming out. Same time, I knew I was going to live. I was so grateful, right?
He posted a Facebook status that read, "Alive."
I messaged my friend Lisa, and she said, "Oh my God, Dr. Shaw tweeted about you." And so I went onto Twitter, and I found the tweet, and I was like, okay, this lady is awesome. I see her in press conferences all the time. So I typed up, "I'm alive, Dr. Shaw."
The moment I saw Matthew's tweet to me where he was like, "I'm alive, Dr. Shaw," I was standing in the ICU. My heart got full. I actually started crying. And it really lifted me and let me know that what I do with my team helps people, which is sometimes hard to feel when we're in the middle of the pandemic.
Cardinal's story has caught the eye of several other healthcare workers as well.
We're also happy that he's done as well as he has, and we're also, I think, very thankful that he and his family have been as open as they have been in terms of really helping to advocate and put a face to sort of what COVID looks like. Someone that's young, otherwise healthy, who just about died, and who's worked really, really hard to recover.
Cardinal continues to encourage people to take the pandemic seriously.
My mom said, the doctor said I was very lucky when I came in when I did. I'd probably be passed away at home if I would have went in a day later. That's how bad it was. My lungs were so bad.
3 weeks out of the hospital, he accomplished his goal of lapping Wascana Lake. Now he's trying to get back to his pre-COVID 12,000 steps a day.
I would love to go for a walk around Wascana Park with Matthew one day, and I hope that that's possible.
So does Matthew Cardinal. He also wants to show his appreciation for all the healthcare workers who saved his life. Until then, he says he's focused on getting stronger, getting his vaccine, and eventually getting back to work.